do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me in, that's all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This unit is from an Amazon hair store by the name of HEOON. It has a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, a comb in the middle, and a comb in either side. And guys, as you can see, this is a 613 unit, the first time I'm working with one, and it has baby hairs, it is pre-plucked, and all of those good stuff you want. So let's see if this is a nay or slay or epic or fail or whatever you might call it. It is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. The length is 22 inches. The density is 150%. So you all go right in and put this unit on. This is how the wig is looking, guys, and you may be wondering where did all the waves went. I went in and shampoo and conditioned the hair, so it's lost all those waves in that process, but I'll go ahead and add those waves back. I'll add the Maybelline Fit Me powder inside of the lace, and guys, this is the first time I'm working with one of these units, so I'm trying my best not to make it a mess. First, I'll go ahead and pull the hair to the back in a ponytail with an elastic band and remove the excess lace from the wig.
Saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see.
Now I'll cut the lace in 3 so it is easier for me to lay. Here I am sectioning a part of the hair that I'll be using to make the baby hairs before spraying the lace with the got-to-be gel. Guys, I'm trying new ways to lay the lace. Now that the lace is finally melted, I'll go ahead and remove it with the scissors. Guys, using the eyebrow razor gives you a neater cut, but guys, I'm not comfortable using that, so I'll stick with what I'm comfortable with. I am going back in with the beaded spray to make sure the lace isn't lifting from all the cutting of the lace.
It's been a minute, so let's get down to business. Oh, I wish I had listened to you, 'cause now you stay.
With this unit, you have the option of doing a side part or a middle part. I'll be going for a middle part.
I was wrong. I was stupid, baby. I was just wrong. Now I'm looking at you get away.
Now it's time to lay some toddler hair. And guys, this is one of the hardest parts of customizing the wig. You all know toddler, they're hyperactive. They keep moving you around. So you just gotta keep up and make sure they're laid. When they're laid, guys, you have no problem with these toddlers.
Now you won't speak, and you told me, let it be. You know I can't leave, 'cause baby, I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. Now I'm looking at you get away. And the bad while I'm moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was stupid, baby, I was doing me. Now I'm looking at you stay away. And the bad 'cause you're really moving on. You're the one I need, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was wrong, I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. I was wrong. Now I'm looking at you get away. And the mad while you're moving on.
I am going in with the walk stick.
I was stupid, baby, I was now I'm looking at you stay away. And I'm mad 'cause you're really moving on. You're the one I need, gotta say it, gotta say it, gotta say it, gotta say it. I was wrong.
Gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice next to me. Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch, conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe.
I'll be adding some crimp to the hair, but first I'll spray the hair with the bedded spray before using the crimping iron.
You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me, but when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears.
This is all I can find from the finished footage, guys. So I went in another day and I didn't go back and have the crimp. I just go in and had a little curls to the hair. So this is how it is looking, you all. And the only problem I have with this unit, it does shed a little, and you all know it's a colored wig, so that is expected. So guys, if you like this wig, the link is in the description. You can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
Love never dies, Mr. Gray Skies. I have to go on. You took something from me, forgot my word. You had too much power over me.